Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 介 step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 介 介 boundary. Extent, group. For example, 业界 industry. 业界 industry. Now check this sentence. It can be used across the IT industry. It can be used across the IT industry. 它可以在整个 IT 业界使用。它可以在整个 IT 业界使用。它可以在整个 IT 业界使用。It can be used across the IT industry. My daily handwriting on the character 介 介 boundary, extent, group. 业界 industry. It can be used across the IT industry. 它可以在整个 IT 业界使用。介 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 介. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.